Good morning, students. This is a moral science class. Hope you all are fit and fine, enjoying at home, obeying your parents, studying for the given homework, classwork you all are doing regularly. Now, I will teach you again once more. I will explain you the chapter love. And love is a special feeling. And from where does it comes? It comes from the heart. Okay, for someone, it is caring for someone and treating them with kindness and respect and accepting them as they are. And this is the story of cat and mouse, who were enemies first. Cat was always chasing the mouse, eating up the mouse, catching the mouse, and mouse was scared of the cat, frightened, running away, as she was saying, praying to God for help. And after some times, they became friends, good friends. And how it happened, my dear, you will see in the picture. First of all, let us discuss once the cat got wet in the rain, and then it started sneezing and coughing, and he fell sick. And when the cat felt sick, he is lying down. And when cat fell sick, mouse was very happy that cat is disturbing me every day, he is chasing me, now he is going to die. So he was enjoying, the mouse was enjoying. The mouse was singing and dancing at that time. But because the mouse was knowing that soon the cat will die, so and the cat has disturbed, that's why instead of feeling sad, the mouse was happy. But see what happened in this picture, it is mouse is helping the cat. And how did it happen? When mouse saw all the positive things, means cat was sick, that's why he was not chasing, the mouse was not running, the mouse was not feeling hungry, and the mouse was not praying. So he thought, if the cat is chasing me, that makes me active, definitely. Just like when you are coming to school, we are working on you, we are giving you homework, classwork, that makes you do the practice of your work, isn't it? The cat is chasing me, that makes me regular in praying to God, because he was frightened, he was scared, he was in need of help, so he used to pray the God always. Like that only, when you are coming to school, early in the morning you are doing prayer, pledge, your national anthem you are singing. So these are the positive things for you when you come to school. Like that only the cat, which you are missing right now, like that only the mouse thought of all the positive things. And then he thought that, okay, cat is not bad, it is good for me. And the mouse started feeding the cat, cooking food for cat, looking after him, giving him medicines, and thinking about the cat, that cat should get well soon, that without her my life is so boring. And what happened after that? After that, when the cat has helped the rat, the mouse has helped the cat, both became good friends. What is friendship? A friend in need is a friend indeed. Whenever we are in need, our friend is there to help us, and that is called friendship, my dear. So here the mouse showed a good friendship, and after that they became friends. First they were enemies because the cat was disturbing, chasing. Now cat thought all the positive, mouse thought all the positive things about the cat, and then they became good friends. When they became good friends, mouse helped, and this made the heart of the cat change. And after that, their love for each other increased. They were looking for ways to help each other. When we are good friends, we always help each other, isn't it? And they lived for many years together, and then they understood that it is very important, it is very good thing to be a friend than enemies. Now there are some question answer which we will discuss and you will do in your copy. Answer in one or few words. And what is the question here? Who troubled the mouse? And the answer is cat. If you have to write in total complete sentence, you can write cat troubled the mouse. You will copy from here in the place of who. Here you have to answer in one or few words, so you will write only the cat in the place of who, and your answer will be complete. Now let us go to the second question. Who was afraid of the cat? And all of you know, cat eats up the mouse. That's why mouse is always afraid with the cat. As the cat sees the mouse, so in the place of who, what will be here? Mouse. Next question. What made the cat red? And my dear cat was red with fever. When fever comes, what happens? Our eyes starts burning, our body starts paining, the color of the face changes, and our body is heated. So what made the cat red? Cat was having fever, and that made the cat red. What was the mouse doing instead of feeling sad? And as you know, mouse started enjoying, mouse started singing and dancing. Instead of feeling sad, mouse started singing and dancing. Next. Who wants us to love all of his creatures and to take care of them? And my dear, it is God. God has created this world, and God wants us to keep it like this only. Okay? Keep it like this only means we should not make this world dirty with not only dirt, with our thought, with our feelings. We should behave happily with each and every creation of the God. Not only with human beings, with animals also. We should not hurt them, we should look after them. We should not cut the plants. We should also take care of the plants. So God wants us to love all his creatures and to take care of them. Next, who said it is better to be friends than enemies? And the answer is cat and mouse. When they became good friends, then they understood the need of each other, the unity of each other, how if we are united together we can do more things, together we enjoy more, together we learn more, everything. If we are together we do more, and it is friendship is always better than enmity. So this story only tells us to cultivate the good habits of friendship, love, affection, which God also wants us. God also wants with us that we should love and serve all his creations. Now see, next is the quotation, blessed is he who prefereth his brother before himself. My dear, in homework today you have to write this quotation and decorate also. Okay, and you will write nicely, not in one line. You will arrange and write. Okay, how in 3 lines it is arranged and written, and you will decorate it. Now I will explain you the meaning of this quotation. Blessed is he who prefereth his brother before himself. Means God is blessing each and every life who thinks that his brother, means If God has created all of us, we all of us are brother and sister. So God wants all of us to serve each other, to give priority more than yourself. See here. This is the quote from Baha'u'llah, explains it so beautifully. Blessed is he who prefereth his brother before himself. So explaining to them in terms that we are sacrificing for the common good and for those who are most vulnerable, put things in perspective. So we should always try. God has given us enough, my dear, if we are not storing the things. So we should always be willing to help each other who are in need. This is the thought of the God, and in return God bless us, and blessing of God is very important in our life, my dear. So you will do this homework in your copy. First you will write the third quotation, decorate it. First you will write the quotation, blessed is he, decorate it, and then you will write the one word answer in very good handwriting, and HW and date you will write on the left side of the page, and then you will start your work. Thank you, dear. Thank you for watching this video.